Welcome to a MainelyDIY.com video.
Okay, this is what I call a zip tool. They call it a side swiper. I'm going to use this to take apart the vinyl off the side of the house. Without it, it's got a little lip on it. Without it, you might break your siding. It'd be really hard, difficult to do without, but with it, it should be quite easy. You just slide it up underneath, you pull it, and you just zip it across. Just kind of slide that up in, and then you pull back, and you can zip it across. Now, I'll show you, see if this works like I'm hoping. I'm going to start taking off this piece. So what we do is we gotta go up in there. Hang on. Slide it along, and it opens it up. This side's a little tight. There we go. Now, what I should be able to do is peek up in there. You should see they stapled it in. So I got to pull these little staples out that you see in there. Pull those out, and I take this one off, and I can work my way down. Okay, so that's what we're going to do. Okay, as you can see, the wall has pulled apart here. See the gap that's going on between the wall board and the 2x6? That's why the outlet on the inside of the house looks like it's bowed in. One would think that the structure is bad, but it's not. It's firmly attached at the bottom down here. See, it's all attached in. So it's just the little wall board that is buckled or something. So we're going to put a support board across between the joists, and then we're going to screw this wall board into it. So what we're going to do is put a small piece of 2x4 across there, securing it to the 2x6, and then we're going to attach the wall board to it, which will stiffen this up. This is a prefab house. This is how they do it. Okay, now we're going to attempt to put everything back using my little zip tool. The zip tool will help me put it back. I'm going to slide it up underneath, and then this little lip is going to help pull it out so that I can attach it. If you look at the side of this, see the little lip that's going to pull down? It reaches up, pulls that down. I don't know if you can see that, if I've got that on there right or not. See how it pulls it down? That. Yep. So I'm going to reach underneath everything and start doing it. And start working at it. And it zips along quite a bit. And just keep going. There. That's one done. Now I got, I don't know, 10 or 12 to go. do it right, it zips right in. Just like that. Now I need to attach some of these. Put a screw in here to help hold it. You don't want the screw too tight. Alright, you just put it in loose like that. That should be enough to hold it. And I want to put one over here on this one. Just enough to kind of hold it. Like that is enough. Okay. See how the head's stuck out about 1/4 inch? So that vinyl can move as it heats and cools. You don't want it too tight because the vinyl will crack.